For 300 years, Iranian farmers, known for their ingenuity, have been cultivating organic watermelons in the hot deserts of the Aran and Bidgol area of Iran's historic Isfahan province. So, let's see their amazingly simple but smart technique. The Sinbek pits in Aran and Bidgol area of the historic city of Isfahan in Iran is famous for planting watermelons in dug pits in the desert, where farming seems impossible. But how? Here is the catch. Artificial pits are created in deserts to block shifting sands and stabilize the soil, making the area less flat. Therefore, the watermelon plants that are planted in the pits below the surface level experience less impact from the gusty desert winds. That's genius indeed. Also, since the weather condition is harsh, there is no need to use any pesticides naturally. So how about water? In these pits, farmers dig a meter down to reach natural moisture that is trapped below the surface and use it to plant watermelons. Additionally, as the plants grow, they retain moisture at the surface due to their ability to block the sun, resulting in less moisture evaporation as they grow larger. Since ancient times, Iranian farmers have used this technique for farming in desert. However, planting under harsh conditions in the desert, especially the gusty winds, requires maintaining the pits on a regular basis and throwing the sands up from inside the pits to the top surface. The terrain's slope extends from the vultures to the desert, and the presence of dense layers of ground that create groundwater reservoirs near the surface makes the Sinbek pit area a unique place. The watermelon harvest season occurs 100 days after Persian New Year's Eve, around the end of June and the first decade of July. Research has shown that this region's watermelons, with their high water and high nutrient content, can effectively help curing kidney and prostate problems. How do you rate their genius technique? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for new videos update. Thanks for watching.